Acumatica Customer Portal empowers you to seamlessly manage sales, support, and account details within a single unified platform. Customers can quickly browse catalogs, view real-time inventory, and place B2B orders. The portal provides full visibility, allowing customers to check balances, pay invoices, and manage support cases directly. Furthermore, it provides your employees with an embedded workspace for sharing essential corporate policies, standard operating procedures, and quality control documentation. Experience how easy it is for customers to use the portal. After logging in, they are greeted by a personalized, intuitive dashboard. Customers can instantly browse your product catalog, check order history, review account balances, view statements and invoices, and manage support cases. The dashboard includes direct links to key areas, such as your product catalog, open invoices, account summaries with overdue balances, unapplied payments, case counts, and open orders. Customers can browse products with real-time information from Acumatica, including item details, categories, photos or videos, inventory, and personalized pricing. Adding items to the cart is simple from both the catalog and detailed item views. At checkout, shipping and billing details are pre-filled from Acumatica and can be edited if needed. Payment options include secure credit card payments via Acumatica Payments or placing orders on account per established credit terms with automated credit validation. Once orders are submitted, customers can view their details, repeat previous purchases, or cancel open orders with just a few clicks. Creating a new support case is quick and straightforward. Customers select a severity level, enter a summary, choose a contact, report the date and time, and fill in other relevant details. They can add detailed notes to describe their issue before submitting, and the case is automatically routed to the next available agent or technician. Within each case, customers can send messages and updates to support, keeping communication clear and efficient directly from the portal. Managing account details has never been easier. From the Customer Portal dashboard, customers see a clear summary of their account balance, unapplied payments, overdue amounts, open cases, invoices that need attention, and open orders. Everything is just a click away, allowing customers to drill into details or take immediate action, such as making payments or updating a support case. The Balance Overview provides quick access to open documents, such as invoices, payments, and credit memos, organized into simple tabs by document type. Powerful filters help customers narrow results instantly so they can find exactly what they need without searching through long lists. When it's time to pay, customers can settle single or multiple invoices at once and even override amounts when a dispute or partial payment is appropriate. Secure cards on file are fully PCI compliant, and new cards can be added at checkout for additional flexibility. Customers can easily view, print, or download statements, invoices, and other documents. The Acumatica Customer Portal features a customizable integrated wiki that lets you build a centralized knowledge base directly within your ERP platform. Easily publish key instructions, reference materials, procedures, and checklists for employees, customers, vendors, and partners. This hub organizes FAQs, documents standard operating procedures, and keeps your knowledge base up to date as your business evolves. With fast access to ISO quality control and compliance documentation, your team can quickly reference corporate policies, remove data silos, and work more efficiently. Give your customers the power to help themselves while your team focuses on what really drives growth. With streamlined B2B ordering, effortless support case management, and real-time account self-service, Acumatica's Customer Portal delivers a faster, smarter, more modern experience for everyone. Empower employees with built-in wikis for training and compliance management. See how it transforms your customer relationships and your business by scheduling a personalized demonstration today.